Well, we're in the lawsuits because we're simply enforcing laws that were enacted by Congress. We're not making this up. And where are all these people with opinions? Where were they the last 4 years? When 500,000 children were smuggled in the country, they lost track of 300,000 of them, and President Trump has found 129,000 of these missing children that the last administration wasn't even looking for.
That sounds really bad, right? 300,000 kids trafficked, and Biden didn't do anything about it. And Trump has found 129,000 of them. That sounds good. And that's why they keep repeating this. The reality is, after COVID, the border was closed. Biden opened the border only for children, which created a problem because a lot of kids ended up being separated from their families. But 90% of those kids came in to reunite with parents or relatives in the United States. So they got detained and they got released to relatives, and they didn't have a good experience when they were in detention. And they went into hiding with their relatives after they were released because they had had such a bad experience when they interacted with the government. And furthermore, under the Trump administration, they don't want to go to check-ins and they don't want to go to court hearings because they know that they'll just get detained again. So they don't respond. So the Trump administration, first of all, 300,000 kids weren't trafficked. They were admitted in and released to families. Then they didn't get lost. They decided not to be found. And then the Trump administration didn't find them. They went out and detained them and harassed them and tortured them in detention centers. And they make it sound like they were helping these kids, but they weren't helping these kids. And also, I heard someone say recently that Tom Homan sounds like he's just learning how to talk with teeth. This is really accurate.